What is currently going to happen for Bitcoin is something that will shock a lot of people, but it will also make a lot of people extremely rich. So in this video, I will tell you guys everything you need to know, because Bitcoin is right now coiling up for the next massive move. And I'm going to show you guys a lot of really important charts. So it's really important that you stay from the beginning all the way till the end, so you don't miss any important updates. Right now, what we are seeing right now for Bitcoin is a massive rounding bottom. And if you don't know, this is one of the most bullish patterns Bitcoin can create, especially if we're looking at the 15-minute time frame right here, and especially if we look at our older candles, because we are still in a massive uptrend, and a rounding bottom in an uptrend is one of the most bullish things ever. So yeah, there's right now a chance that we are straight up going to break all the way through this massive wick we create right here at $35,200, and if we do so, then $36,000 and $37,000 will be here within a matter of hours, maybe days, but probably hours. It will go crazy right now. There's also a chance that we are maybe going to create somewhat of a cup and handle pattern, and that will also send Bitcoin really high, basically to the same targets, but it will simply take a few more hours or days for that to happen. Then it will be something like this, and then it's going to be sending crazy high. What we're right now focusing on is that we break about this high. Once we break this high of the market at $34,800, then once we break that and flip that into support, then Bitcoin will just straight up continue sending higher, like I said, to $36,000. And I'm extremely confident right now that Bitcoin will do that. We are also creating a symmetrical triangle right now over on the 1 hour chart, and we are right now perfectly retesting it, like you guys can see right here, and we are right now breaking out of this, meaning that Bitcoin could potentially send a lot higher in combination with the older pattern. If we simply take the breakout target, then we can already see that it will send Bitcoin to exactly $36,000, and that's of course also our first small area of resistance. So yeah guys, we have a lot to discuss right now, but first I do want to say that I am extremely bullish right now because Bitcoin is looking really good. However, do note that if we get any bearish news, and this means news that nobody could have known, that just comes out of nowhere, for example Binance, something wrong with Binance, or the SEC not doing something with ETFs that just could send Bitcoin extremely low, then do note that nobody can know that, and that will completely change the plan for Bitcoin. Of course, we're not expecting that. However, if we do get some crazy news, do know that the entire plan could be cancelled, just like we saw yesterday, because yesterday we did actually quite saw some pretty bearish news, because we saw that the BlackRock has been re-added to the DTCC. If you don't know it, it's a platform of course, like I told you guys yesterday, where ETFs are listed. However, yesterday that BlackRock ETF just got removed from the DTCC, and nobody knew why. And that's actually what caused this small dump we saw right here. From this level to this level, a 4% dump it caused, simply because of a mistake in the web app. Something went wrong there, because a few hours later it got listed again on the DTCC, and that was immediately recovering Bitcoin again right here. But yeah, if some news like that drops, it could just completely change the plan for Bitcoin and the short-term perspective for Bitcoin. So do keep that in mind. But yeah, yesterday we did saw some quite bearish news. Luckily, it immediately got fixed. Then if we look at this chart, we can see right now that Bitcoin is still creating green candles. And like I said in my video from literally 2 days ago, right here, when we saw that massive pump right here and right here, I was telling you guys that we're most likely going to fill up this wick right here, which we created over on the Fractal futures contracts, which are $35,200. And it seems like Bitcoin is right now grinding through it to $35,200. That's going to be our first target. However, do know that at $35,200 we don't even have any resistance. That is simply my first target, which we are 99.99% sure we are going to hit. But once we break that, like I said, $35,000 level right here, we are going to send like crazy. Just trust me, we are going to send like crazy, because it's extremely bullish right now that we saw a 20% move right here, and that we have still not even created a single red candle. The same happened basically right here. we're getting a 20% move to the downside, and then we keep on getting red candles. They are maybe not as big as the other red candles, but after that you just get another massive move to the downside. And in this perspective, we of course are looking for another move to the upside with our target at $36,000. That is still our first target. However, do know that the top side of our target is all the way around $38,000, and I do think that Bitcoin could potentially wick to $38,000 once we break $36,000 right here around this level. So that's going to be absolutely freaking crazy, and you can make a shitload of money with that. So yes guys, if you right now want to trade Bitcoin or any other altcoin just like me, then you can do that over on Bybit, because Bybit is right now hosting a giveaway with my channel that if you right now sign up using the first link in the description for Bybit, you will not only get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses and 25% of fees, but you will literally also get a chance to win a 200 USDT airdrop 5 times. So we are right now giving away 5 $200 USDT airdrops simply to random people that sign up using my link and complete the steps. You will get to this page, simply click on join now, and you will have a chance to win 200 USDT completely for free. It's going to be the easiest money you will ever make. And do note that my channel is quite small right now, so there's a really big chance that you are going to win if you sign up using my link. Just wanted to say that. Now if we look at this chart right here, then this is right now our support and resistance heat map. Because we can right now see that these are all the massive support and resistance levels we have, all the way to our all-time high and all the way back to where I think Bitcoin will most likely bottom. We can see right now that we are, like I said yesterday, trading in a range between $31,000 and around $37,000. Of course, it could go a little bit higher, a little bit lower. 36 to 38k is currently my target, like I've already said multiple times before. However, if we, for example, come back to this level and we break it, then our next level is of course all the way going to be at 24k, which is of course really logical. I just wanted to share this heat map right here. But right now, if we do decide to come to 31k, we are 99.99% sure that we are going to hold it and then send up higher. But of course, like I already said in my video from yesterday, if you have not watched it, it's really important that you watch all my videos so you understand what's going on. Then I will link it up right there, something in the corner of the screen, because you need to watch it as well. It's really freaking important, because right now I am predicting that we are going to move to 36, 38k, and then potentially a bounce to the downside, 31k, and then up, down, and then the ETF news will send us like crazy to the upside. And yes guys, our target is of course still going to be all the way at all-time high, and I'm still expecting that to hit in the next couple of years. We are most likely going to hit it somewhere in 2024 after the halving, and otherwise in 2025. I'm really sure of that. Then one last small thing on the lower time frame, we have this small little bear flag right here. That is of course a bull flag, sorry. That is right now breaking to the upside as well. So yeah, Bitcoin is just right now extremely freaking bullish. I'm quite excited for what is going to come for Bitcoin, because a lot more fireworks is going to come. And that's all I have for you guys right now. A little bit of a shorter video, but straight up not just that much happening yesterday. Basically just went sideways all day. But yeah, that being said guys, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel guys. It really helps me out. We are right now growing like crazy. The bull market vibes of course are coming back again, which is really nice, and you don't miss that. Don't want to miss that. So yeah, that being said guys, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto video.